Okay, I am back with the second Hobby Lobby haul. Did not expect to have one this soon, but I really got into the beading. I don't know, I feel like this is supposed to be a joyous occasion because I was waiting to get paid so I could get some more beads, but I don't know, when I went in there, I had trouble, like, because these are the stuff that I got. You guys saw the previous haul. This is the stuff I got from last time, and I'm using it up, and I'm like, well, I have an ice storm coming this weekend. I need to get some more beads, so I said, let me go by there and, stock up on everything that I need so that, this weekend when we're snowed in, I'll have stuff to do. And I just wanted more stuff in general because I'm kind of obsessed with this right now. But when I went in there, like I usually make my bracelets, like you'll see this one, like, they all have like these little, I guess what I'm gonna call them main centerpieces, like that, or, like these, you got like the main beads and the accent beads and stuff like that. So I said, oh, I'm really enjoying this. Let me go in there and get some more, I guess what do you want to call it? Main attraction or main focus beads like this, so I could use up all the, accent beads and stuff that I have, because I don't want to just make a plain bracelet out of just, pony beads and stuff. I like to have something more interesting, like, the stars or the flowers right here. So I went there to go find some stuff, and I really didn't see anything that I was interested in, really, you guys. So I'm like, I guess that was kind of disappointing and slightly demotivating. So I didn't really see anything else I was interested in. I got some of these. I hadn't used these yet. I got some of these little hearts. These are really cute. What else did I get? Well, I'm gonna show you more what I got in a second. I guess let me talk more about, I don't know, my thoughts are kind of scattered, but let me see. Basically, I got some more just like, I'm just gonna call them basic beads, like these, to be like accents. These are really cute. I didn't get these last time, but I got some now. I think these are super adorable. It's little hearts and circles and stars and that iridescent, and that'll match the iridescent pony beads to make more interest in the bracelets. And then I got some more of these, and I'll tell you why I got more of these soon. I already bought one of these packs in the last haul, but I was worried about running out of certain colors. So I really need to find these in like individual colors in a big pack. I feel like that'd be more cost effective, because it kind of sucks to buy a whole pack just to replenish a few colors, like I'm almost out of this blue, this purple, and I'm like, well, I might want more of these for, more of the main event beads that I get, not necessarily these. Just gotta figure out how I want to explain this, but I know I wanted more of these, but because these go really well with the nicer beads that are like on the strings, like, let me pull these out, like stuff like this. These go nicer with these, so I wanted to get more of these because I knew, well, toward the end of my shopping trip, I knew I wanted more of these, the nicer beads, because I was losing interest in beads like this because I couldn't find any main event beads like these. I hope that makes sense. So because I couldn't find any main focus beads like these, I'm like, well, I'm not really excited to make more because I don't really see any bigger, main focus beads that I like. So I'm like, I was like, dang, I'm kind of disappointed. I came in here all excited to find more, main focus beads, stuff like this and these. And what are some more examples? What else do I have? I guess these might be somewhat main focus beads, but like, oh yes, it's stuff like this, And I could just get more of these, but I don't know. I have ADHD and I get really bored easily, so I need interesting stuff. So I was hoping I could find more stuff like this, just in other varieties, other types of beads to keep me interested, but I did not see anything else that I liked, not really. So that was a little bit disappointing. So I'm like, dang, what am I gonna make now? Because I have all these beads, like these I need to use up, but I feel like these won't look right with beads like this. Like I feel like these kind of go with nicer beads like these. But, stuff like this, the little plastic, pony, or people call them candy beads, kind of look best with this. I'm sure I can make some combinations that use the nicer beads, but by and large, in my opinion, it's going to look kind of weird if I have these really nice beads next to some plastic pony beads, in my opinion. So I'm like, dang, well, since I can't find any, I'm going to keep calling them candy beads like this that I was really interested in. I'm like, well, maybe I should focus on these, because in my last haul I did buy a couple nicer beads like this. My main focus was these beads, but I did buy some beads that were kind of like this that were nicer, and I made a couple bracelets out of these, some nicer beads plus some of these glass beads, and it was really cute, and I really enjoyed that. But the only thing about using beads like these, it's very expensive and it adds up very quickly. So because my main focus shifted to beads like this, my total came to a whopping and painful $80. I was not intending to spend that much today on my shopping trip. I was kind of flabbergasted when they told me the total. That was not my plan at all. So I don't know how to feel about it. Cause like I'm happy I got more beads, but it's also, I don't know, I guess I'm frustrated that I don't really have many beads like this to do more with at the moment. I'm sure I can look online and find other stuff, but that's frustrating. I don't really see anything else like this that I, you know, was interested in making stuff out of. So I was really hoping there was more beads like this that I would like to, you know, have as my main centerpieces on my bracelets. But I didn't see anything, so I'm kind of just figuring out what I'm gonna do, because I need to use up all the beads like this. I don't want to just waste them. You know, we spent a lot of money on these like beads, and you know, I have a lot of these pony beads, and I gotta use them up. I was hoping I could find some stuff that I could, you know, use them up with that I was interested in. But anyway, I feel like I'm rambling. Let me show you everything that I got for my whopping $80 bill. Let's see. So showed you guys this. I got another glass bead set. Let me move some of the stuff out of the way. I got some more string. I did order a bigger spool online on Amazon because it's just more cost effective to buy the big spool for like 16 bucks. You get like, I don't even know. I think it was like, was it like 1,000? I don't know. It was a really thick spool, y'all. It was like, the spool was like 3 of these stacked together kind of thick. So it was a lot of string for 16 bucks, where you can see where, you know, for $6 you only get this. It's a lot more cost effective to just spend a little bit more money and get a giant spool. But we're getting snowed in this weekend. I didn't know if I was gonna run out. So until that arrives from Amazon, had to get another pack to hold me over. So I got another spool of string. I showed you guys this. I think I got 2 of these. Let me see. Yep, here's the other one. Got 2 of those. I knew I was gonna use a lot of these and, like, you know, to fill out the bracelet. So I got 2 packs of those. Let's see. That's from the old pack. Let's see. Oh yeah, I got some smaller seed beads. These are really cute as little accents. And plus I feel like I can use these to jazz up the pony beads. Excuse me. But I do have to watch it, because sometimes when you use these smaller beads, they're so small that they go inside the hole of the pony beads. So I'm actually not sure if this is gonna work, but that's okay, because I bought these. You can see that their opening is a lot smaller, so I can use these between the pony beads and the little seed beads, and that'll keep the seed beads from getting lost inside the pony beads. I hope that makes sense. So that's why I got these. I'm like, oh great, I needed something that was inexpensive, that weren't these more expensive glass beads that I could use with the pony beads. So I can have these with the pony beads. So I think they're kind of cute. I think these are glass beads too. Yeah, they are, but I feel like they look kind of look like pony beads to me. So I don't think it's gonna look weird with the pony beads. But I hope what I said makes sense. But I got these so that I can have more of the seed beads. So I think the little seed beads as little accents between beads. Sometimes it's really pretty and really cute. So that's what these are for. So, and I got these. I showed you that seed bead mix. Okay. Oh, I got more flowers. The flowers I was still interested in for some reason. I don't know. The flowers I was still excited about, because I think these places where you make the little flowers with the little colors in between, I just think they're so cute and so pretty. I have some better examples of what I did with the flowers, but they're inside this box. They're inside here, my other examples, and I don't want to pull them out just yet. You'll see them in other videos when I give what I've made, but yeah, isn't that cute? I just thought this flowers mixed with other beads are so adorable. So I'm still excited about those. So I could probably use up a lot of these with these little flowers. So I did get more of the little flowers, so I'm not done making those. Where's my other bag of them? I didn't have that many left. Yeah, this is all I had left of my other bag. Just those. So I got a new fresh bag. Maybe I should have got 2 of these. Oh well, we'll use them up. Took me a while to get through this other bag, so I think I'm good, at least for the weekend. If we get snowed in, I'm good. I have plenty of the flowers. So now we're getting to oh yeah, I bought a tube of seed beads, because like some of my other bracelets, I don't think I have any out right now to show you as an example. No, I don't. But these are super cute as little accents between beads. If you like sandwich a bead between these, it's just so pretty and makes them look a little more elegant. So I knew I wanted a lot more of these, because the only ones I had were ones that came in the pack that came with these little star beads. I'm sure you've seen it in some of my other videos. The only seed beads I had were the ones that came with these little stars, but obviously I need a lot more than that. So I got me a pack of seed beads, and it just makes the bracelets look a lot more cuter. So really excited about that. Let me show you and now the more expensive beads. They were all half off though, but they still add up. Like I said, I was flabbergasted at the register, but so it was all these were half off, but don't be deceived. So I thought these were really pretty. And I bought these in like pack sets of like 1 or 2, not sets of 1 or 2, but I bought these to go with other ones in here. Like I had like ideas to like, you know, make them into bracelets, like they go together. I'm pretty sure these went together. Here's the other one I bought. Super pretty. I love these iridescent ones. I'm just such a sucker for sparklies. That one. And then I got this one. I got this one because I knew I had colors in the, I know I had colors inside of this glass seed set that would match it. So I'm really excited about that. And then also these little seed beads. So it's gonna be a fun time. So I already knew I had colors to match that. So got that. Then also to go with that one, I got these. These are really pretty, very gorgeous. Love the natural stone beads. What does this one say that it is? It says it's dyed imperial jasper. So that's cool. Dyed jasper. What is this one? Does it tell you what it is? This one is coated glass. Coated glass. It's really cool that it tells you what it is. I never really looked at it that hard. Plated glass. Plated glass. Now what is this one? Plated glass. Let's see. Oh, I got these. I didn't see these last time I was in there, but I had wanted these. I saw these on the Hobby Lobby website. They're kind of the star version of those chunky heart ones. Do I have one out here right now? Yes. It's kind of the star version of these chunky heart ones. Oh, that's so pretty. How pretty is that? This is why I wanted more like main beads, because how pretty is that? That's gorgeous. I didn't get any more hearts. I'd really like this bead and I want to get more, but like I said, I don't know, I get bored easily. So I'm like, I want something new. I want something new though. So I wasn't really super hyped to get more of these, even though they're pretty. I just wanted something new to play with, you know? So I got these instead. So kind of the same thing, just a different shape. So I got these chunky boys to go with it. Pretty sure I got this to go with this one, yeah. That's gonna be cute. They go really well together. Super pretty. But see what I mean? See how those little tiny seed beads in between are really cute and add a nice accent? That's just so pretty. That's why I got these. It's gonna help, you know, achieve a little bit more prettiness in the bracelet. I'm trying to pull these out in the sets that I got them in. Hope I remember everything that goes together. I got these two. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Those really pretty. Those will be really nice together. Let's see, what is this? Plated glass, both plated glass. I thought those are really pretty, very pretty. And I got this. What is this one? White jade. That's really pretty. That one was half off, $5.99, but it's still really pretty. Pretty sure I got that to go. Pretty sure I got this one to go with this. It's gonna go, where's the other one? Yeah, pretty sure, yeah, these were supposed to go together. All three of these. Plus I have ones to pick from here, so I have a lot of combinations I can do. But that's gonna be really pretty together. Those went together. Then I got these pretty gorgeous porcelain ones. I always thought these were really pretty. I saw these last time I was in there, but I didn't get them. But that's really pretty. And I got this one, very gorgeous. Let's see, what is this? Let me turn it over. This is, oh, it's glass, just glass. It's really pretty glass for the white one, and then pretty sure this might say porcelain. Yep, it's porcelain. Yep, very pretty. Thought that was so pretty. What did I get? Oh, this one goes with this one, yeah. I remember now. Yeah, these two went together. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. So these two, I'm pretty sure I got a white one. I think it might have been this one. I'm pretty sure I got these two to go together. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And if I want any combinations, again, I have this and then the seed bead mix to go with it. So the possibilities are endless, y'all. This is so fun to come up with designs. And then I got these. Very gorgeous. Pretty sure that's gonna go with this one and the chunky hearts. Pretty sure, yeah. Pretty sure these were supposed to go together. That's gonna be so sparkly and so pretty. I might break it up with some white. I think, where are those other ones at? Maybe it'll go nicely with that one, or where's that seed mix? Oh, I put it over here on accident. But yeah, pretty sure that'll be, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so pretty. So that'll go nicely with this. That's gonna be so pretty. Even if I use white too, you know, that'll be pretty. Like even if I would have used some of the white pony beads, I think that'll look nice too. So I think no matter what combination I do, we're gonna be pretty, sitting pretty. So I just dropped a bead. So let's see, and I think we're almost done. I think this is the last one in the bag. I've seen these before. I see these all the time, but I really wasn't sure what I want to do with these, so I never get them. But I said, well, what the heck, I'm gonna get it today. Especially if I get another pack of these glass beads. I'm like, look at that. That'll mean I can make so many cute things with these. I have all these colors, and I kind of like, if you look there's so many colors, different colors in these, and I can, you know, really mix and match with, look, it matches that. It matches this color. Like, there's so many colors that this matches because this has so many colors in it. So I got this, finally got these bead sets. We'll see what I can do with it and how it turns out, but I got that. I think that's it. Yep, that's the end of the bag. So that's everything I got. So this is pretty much what you can get for freaking 80 bucks. A Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna have to sell some of these. Like, I mean, that was always my plan, was to sell some of these, but I was kind of just chilling and just making them. But I'm probably definitely gonna start listing these up for sale because I'm mostly making them for fun. I have no use for this many bracelets. Like, I'm filling up this tub pretty quickly. And there's more on top. I kept the newer one separated because I haven't filmed, I guess, a montage of these yet, so I'm keeping them outside of the box. But all these, I have no use for all these beads, so I just really enjoy making the bracelets. So you might see these up for sale soon. When I do that, I will let you know. I will have links and stuff, so I really enjoy making them. So these are some of the other ones I was working on too. These are really pretty. Yeah, these actually did look nicely with the glass beads. Like I said, I'm not saying all the candy / pointy beads don't look good with the nicer beads, but you know, a lot of the time, you know, by and large, it's not gonna look right if you put like a freaking, you know, that next to that just kind of doesn't, you know, go together, in my opinion. You know, I don't know. Maybe I'll play with it, but it just kind of feels out of place to put a plastic bead next to a stone bead. So, yeah, anyway, that is it. That is the haul. I'm done rambling. Thank you for listening to my thoughts and feelings. And it's kind of it was a bittersweet haul, like I said, just because if I do lose interest in these cheaper beads, it's gonna turn out to be a lot more expensive hobby than I anticipated. I guess it's the my worry. I can't. It's a very expensive hobby because these cost so much more than it is to just get a bag of, you know, these type of beads or a set of these, you know. So we'll just have to see what happens. We'll have to see what happens. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later in the next video.